Xochitl Peña is here from the Desert Water Agency, and this week is Drinking Water Week, and it's an important week to recognize all the hard work that goes into ensuring our safe and reliable drinking water, but also we're going to heat up into the triple digits, so people need to be aware of their drinking water and need to be doing more of it.
Exactly. Yeah. When it heats up like this, I know you just said drink plenty of water, carry your reusable water bottle.
You brought one in. We should have had it as a prop. You have one refillable with delicious Desert Water Agency water.
Exactly, and people can always stop by our office and pick one up.
You give those out, right?
Yes, we do. But like you said, a lot of hard work goes on behind the scenes to make sure that people have refreshing and safe, reliable water, that it's there when they turn on the faucet.
And Drinking Water Week is an opportunity for us to recognize the people, a lot of people behind the scenes. Obviously, you're on with us pretty regularly, but you have a whole team that works diligently, engineers, people who are out there in the field doing pipeline work. All of these folks make sure that when we turn the tap on, the water comes out.
Exactly. We design, we build, we maintain a lot of critical infrastructure that allows us to deliver all this water. We have people that test our water. We conduct thousands of water quality tests a year to make sure that it's safe. And actually, we are working on our annual water quality report, which includes the results of all those tests that we do every single year.
Now, we have very stringent water quality standards in the state of California, more so than actually the federal EPA. And you guys adhere to all of those, and really you exceed most of them.
Yes, that is true. We have very strict regulations here in California, and by state law, we are required to put out this water quality report every year by July 1st. And so we're working on it right now. People can go to our website, dwa.org/WQR, to check out our current report and our upcoming one on July 1st. And that includes lots of important information on their drinking water. And like I said, all the results of all these tests that we do every single year.
It's very important. But one thing that you should know, and a lot of people like to buy bottled water, but you don't really need to do that because honestly, our drinking water standards in California are so high, they probably meet or exceed the drinking water that you're buying in a bottle. So you can just get one of those refillable bottles from the good folks at DWA and refill it with water right out of your tap, and you're drinking very healthy, safe drinking water. That's what you guys work hard every day to make sure of.
Exactly, we sure do. And it's also Public Service Recognition Week. So like you said, it's a great time to recognize all of these professional water workers that make sure that when you turn on the tap, safe water is there for you.
Xochitl, thank you, and thank your team at DWA. You know, it's something we take for granted, but we shouldn't, because that water is there every time we turn on a tap. Let's go back over to Garrett.
All righty.